Invoice number V7723. Today is December 27th, 2022. We are video inspecting the Parlor fireplace. There is currently no cap installed on this flue. We will be proceeding down video inspection now. First course of tile, you can see we have some gaps. The void in between terracotta flue tiles, missing mortar completely. More gaps. Stagger, which I believe we also have a gap behind that stagger as well. Another gap. Another stagger. Another stagger. Followed by another stagger. Missing mortar, starting to deteriorate here. Another large gap, missing mortar, very large. See right in there. We do start to make a slight offset. The offset, you have some gaps in between the mortar as well. And now we are entering the smoke chamber. The smoke chamber does have some gaps. It is on par. There's a little bit of creosote hanging out in there as well. We would recommend just doing a quick rotary pass in the smoke chamber before any repair applications are applied. Again, we are the flue tile to flue tile. You are 25 feet tall in height. And that concludes the video inspection for today. The defects are observed. Further recommendations are to follow.